are joining me today, I congratulate you, because I'm going to tell you 5 secrets, 5 ways you can make wealth in real estate. I've been coming online, sharing some tips on how to invest, what type of investment do we have, commercial, residential, agriculture investment, farm investment, and so on and so that. And I've been able to tell us so many things you need to do to know if you really want to invest in real estate. And today, I want to share 5 tips. You need to know those 5 ways you can make wealth in real estate. Number 1 is real estate speculation. Real estate speculation. You can make money from real estate speculation. How does this work? How does this work? The way it works is when you acquire properties, you can decide to buy houses, lands, different location, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, in a strategic location. I have some of my clients that bought apartments in Dubai. So those things fall under real estate speculation. You just buy it there, buy it that in a strategic location where you will get high returns on your investment. So all those properties you bought at a different strategic location, at a certain period, you started selling them. And guess what? You can never, if you buy a land today, assuming you buy a plot of land for 1 million today, and you decide to say, I'm selling it in the next 6 months or 1 year, guess what? You can never sell it for 1 million. So if real estate, you want to make wealth in real estate by speculation, you make money, more money through that. A house that you purchase for 45 million, and in a year's time, you can never sell it at that price. So real estate speculation is whereby you acquire properties in a strategic location and decide to sell it at a profit. So you make money. You make money. You can decide to buy lands and just keep there, but be warned. Don't buy a land. If you buy a land from Omonile, you better ready to build it immediately. Then you can now decide to sell such property. But you can buy property. You can buy lands from estates and keep. I have one of my clients bought 2 plots of land around Sogotedo when it was launched. She bought 300 square meters for 11.8, and she bought 2 plots. Because a plot in that particular estate referred to as 300 square meters. And she bought 2. And after the launching promo, a plot of land was increased to 13.8. So guess what? It means she's getting already within the space of 2 months. She gets 2 million. 2 million on a plot. So real estate speculation, you make money, you make wealth. That is the first way you can make wealth in real estate. So number two is rent. Rent. A lot of people thought, oh, how can rent be ways that we make wealth? After all, I know one person that rented a place in my house, even my neighbor, the whole landlord, a year or 6 months, did not pay money. Guess what? Never allow that to discourage you. You make wealth through rent. You can decide to buy parcel of land in a strategic location and use it for lease. You make money. It's rentage. You make money. You can decide to buy a room bed, 2 bedroom, a bachelor or a newly couple that are just coming up can rent it. And guess what? You make your money from rental income. You make rental income from that. A lot of people say, oh, how do I do it? How will I be able to make money? You make money through rent. You acquire a property, maybe 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom, semi-detached, terrace, fully detached. By the time you buy it, you put it for rent and you get your rental income value on those property. That is the second way you can make money. You can make money, yes, wealth in real estate. Very, very important. If you acquire that property, all you need to do to get rental income is that you give somebody, maybe a lawyer or this to maintain it for you. I have my partner that does that. All he does is just renting. He's a lawyer, the issue, everything, and the client, the tenant pay promptly. Why? Because nobody wants anybody to take legal action against them, so they pay promptly. So renting is another source of income you can make in real estate. Number 3, where the ways you can make wealth in real estate is by real estate development. Have you ever seen real estate developer, how they make money? Wow, it will amaze you. I'm very close to them, and it will amaze you. They can just get to this place and buy. Oh, I can decide to say, okay, in Lekki Phase 1, I'm going to get a 3 plots of land. Guess how much they want, how many houses they will build on that 1,800 square meter. It will amaze you. So real estate development, you make money. Some people can say, okay, what I want to do is that I want to build shopping mall. It's a commercial. You make money. You make money. By the time you start selling that shop, by the time you start selling the houses. Last year, one of my partner is a developer, built terrace, 4-bedroom terrace at Osapa, London. When it was sold out, the launch price was 55 million. And within the space of 2 months, it's 75 million. So you can never compare wealth that somebody that a real estate development can give you if you have the money. Yes, that is number 3. Number 4, whereby you can make money in real estate. Number 4 is real estate flipping. Some people say, wow, what is flipping in real estate? Yes, real estate flipping. You can make money through real estate flipping. How does this work? For example, if you Ikeja, and let me come down to Lagos Island, you will see some houses that owned by family that maybe Asian people, they've died. What they do, just when you see the kind of property, maybe Opalende, maybe Island, maybe Ikeja, it's such a strategic place. Then buy that old house. If you have the money, pull it down, build it to your taste, and come and tell me how much you will sell that house. Or you decided to put it out for rent. So flipping real estate is just buy old house, pull it down, and resell it. You make money. Because by the time you say, let me just chip this in. I remember when we were at Agege in those years. Do you know how much they sell? Those people, those children, you know them, I won't mention, you know, just children. All they just need is more money. Say, I beg. Especially those that have 4 or 5 wives and the children are fighting over the property. This one will say, let's keep this property. Another one say, I beg, now say we go sell and waiting, money. You know those people. The family, they just sell the house. And when they sell the house, there's some people, some of them, they sell to you at a cheap price. Why? Because they needed money. And you that have business mentality, you can build mansion or build block of flats or build apartments on that land. If you do your foundation very well, you can put it like upstairs and you can build duplex on that land. So real estate flipping is another way of making wealth in real estate. Number 5 secret of making money in real estate is what I call real estate brokerage. Real estate brokerage. And what do I mean by real estate brokerage? This kind of real estate comes with 0 capital. Or the first one I've mentioned so far, number 1, real estate speculation. Number 2, renting. Number 3, real estate development. And number 4, real estate flipping. Those 4, you need to have money. You need to have money before you can do it. Because if you don't have money, there's no way you can do any of the 4. But number 5, the 5th one, is real estate brokerage. Real estate brokerage. How does this work? It works by partnering with those that are called developers. When you partner with them, in the course of partnering with them, then when you sell, you just render your service. And when you render the service, of course, you'll be paid for your service. When you partner with them, then a land or any property that being sold, then fraction of the value of that land, of that property that you sold, will be given to you under what I title commission. Just as simple as that. And I remember my first sales when I joined real estate, with a passion to use real estate as my plan B. And the first one I did, my brokerage fee run to 1.750 million. And that made me to preach real estate like I preach the gospel of Christ. So, real estate brokerage, it is 0 capital. I've helped hundreds of people to enjoy this wealth. And at this junction, again, I want to excuse my time. Let me separate side that I have one I have WhatsApp group. I call it mentorship and accountability group. My people in that group is nothing than real estate brokerage coaching. And through this, they have been able to expose so many of them to know how to get rich through real estate brokerage, because it is zero capital. And so many people don't know this. And of course, because I've always loved to help people, I cannot hide what God has used to liberate me from poverty to people. I remember those years that I was working. After my salary on the fifth day of the new month, I will rush to the bank again for salary in advance. Why? Because my salary is not enough for me. Immediately I started real estate as plan B. Wow, it was real and eye opener that you can live without leaning or expecting somebody to pay you at the end of the month. So, if you want to join the group that want to make wealth in real estate with zero capital, you can reach me on 08034936769. So, thank you for joining me. I can see you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't want to mention your name, but I want to say thank you for joining me live. Get rich through real estate, especially during the lockdown. Amazing thing is that during the lockdown, I did not feel it. During those thick lockdown, there's nothing like that. Every other economy section can feel it, but real estate did not feel it. Ask anybody, and I'm a living witness, because last year lockdown was still my best year. So real estate business is a business when others are crying, shouting, and you will be smiling. So join the smart people today. Yes. Thank you for joining me. Till I see you next time on my next video. My name is Grace Michael. Thank you for your love. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.